Chicka boom boom boom. What up guys, it's Andres here. I'm on week 5 of Andres' Road to Sample Size. Today we're here at Crubox in West Hollywood with Terry, and we're gonna do a private session.
Hey, what's up? I'm Terry, and I'm one of the instructors here at Crubox, located in the heart of West Hollywood, Melrose Alley. It's the newest, hippest, boxing environment. Everything we do here is to be the music, and if you're not really, it's all levels. You don't really need to be a pro boxer. If you've never hit a bag before, you can come here, you can have fun. Everything here is to the beat of the music. So we teach the fundamentals of boxing. We're going to teach you how to move properly, how to punch properly, do correct form so you're not breaking bones and you're not looking too silly. So everybody see a big key. A lot of people want to be able to feel comfortable when they're moving, whether it's calisthenics, whether it's boxing, whether it's anything. I would say they want to be able to go for long periods of time and grow off of that. So first most is going to be stamina, power. You're going to develop power in different muscles that you've never used before.
And that's it. Let's do it. All right, enough. Let's go. Enough talking. Let's get it.
Who's got it?
Love the power, we're gonna get TKO'd. Do Poppy love you? I said Poppy Harley, I'm a man, I'm a mama. Oh.
There we go.
You know, I do a lot of work. Actually, I do a lot of research on shopping, fashion, because I design. So that's what I do. Hang out with friends, see my family, drink some rosé.
Nice. Woo!
Alright guys, Izquieta here with Grand AC, Andres Road to Sample Size. Thank you so much to Crubox, especially Terry. He crushed it. Alright bro, thank you man.
No problem, thank you.
Dope, loved it. Oh man.